Trixie! Trixie!
Sorry, Judy. Sorry.
Oh, what happened?
Sorry.
Judy! Trixie!
Yeah, we dropped it.
You dropped it?
Yes, we did.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, she's quick. Trixie likes to get her walk over with. What are you doing?
What?
Barely too drunk. Don't go potty right there, Trixie. Come on.
Trixie, come on. Come on, Trixie. Trixie! Come on. There's the pool. I miss the pool.
Me too. We didn't get to swim at all.
And the summer's already over. Almost over. Trixie,
She
okay.
likes to go this way.
Come on. Let's go this way. Judy. Look at that cool car.
I like that color.
Yeah.
Get out of the ivy. There's spiders in there. Get out of the ivy.
There's poison ivy. We're going this way again. Wait, did we go this way yet? No. Remember at night when we would go and walk, there would always be snails right here?
Uh-huh.
GoPro action. I'm gonna go GoPro action.
Come on.
Came to get the pizza and I left my keys inside. And I called and no one answers.
So nice.
Yeah, right here from at the garage and no one still answers me. Alright, thank you.
You're not even going anymore, Trixie.
She just likes to be in the grass and hang out.
Stop and feed when you're not even, don't even have any more food. I think she's starting to like the walks a little more.
Yeah, a little way too much.
They're doing everything a lot lately, so they're getting used to it. They still kind of fight it at first, but I'm not taking that one down here. Can't put the diarrhea. She always does that when I take her for walks. She has diarrhea every time. What the heck?
Maybe she has
Does
too
it
much.
stress you out that much?
Come on, Trixie. 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 GoPro action off. All right. GoPro action back on.
Shorten the leash. Say shorten the leash.
All right, I shortened the leaf and the leash. Trixie.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Mark this territory.
Jesus.
Shush! You're scaring Judy.
Let's go down at the end and go through the complex again.
Okay,
On the other side this time. We have to get somewhat of a workout in.
I'm recording.
Yeah?
I'm recording our walk.
Cool.
Nope,
Come on, Trixie,
we're not
done
going.
yet.
We're not going back to the house yet.
Let's go this way. Come on.
We're not going back to the house yet. You got the donut shop over there.
We have to make it worth our while, Mommy.
Yep. Walking through here, walking through here.
You have to work on it, hurry. I'm not even slowing down for you.
Hold up. Your sister has to go potty. I think.
Yeah? Okay.
You don't even need to go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you run fast. There's the donut shop. Not sponsored. Donuts, sandwiches, boba tea, ice cream, smoothies, water. Better sponsor me. Better do it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we're going through the park. Oops, whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going through the park. We're going to the park. Go. Oh, she likes the park. There's a lot of grass here. It's our little playground. Very green grass. Chick. Come on.
Make sure you don't step in any.
Nope, haven't stepped any. Come on.
She wants to sniff. She has to sniff. I don't know why. She doesn't even have any more left. Look, she's not even peeing.
Mm.
Trixie, you absolutely put nothing on there. Why do you even stop?
Looks like nighttime now. Nope, it's daytime. Oh my gosh, it's bright.
We'll stop and get the mail and then we'll head up.
Yes, it's very bright.
Judy, Judy!
Hey, I'm walking here. Oh no! My camera suddenly went all white. It's so bright.
There's nothing there. You're not a boy anyway. Come on. Sheesh.
Come on,
You guys don't have to march.
I got it
each
working.
other.
No, I'm stuck.
Judy,
Judy.
come on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! My leg.
Lift up.
Trixie.
This dog is an idiot. She doesn't know how to walk on a leash yet.
Hmm.
She's ridiculous with that. No matter what, she always wraps her damn leash around my leg.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, whoa. Suddenly dark. I didn't even notice.
What the heck? This better not be stuff for us. Oh my god. Oh no, that's not. It's not. It said Lex 2 on it and I thought, nope, Shannon Kennedy. That pisses me off if they leave people's packages open.
Yeah.
Anybody can
Trixie. The GoPro's attached. Okay, GoPro cam off. I mostly like the GoPro cam because then it looks like this. like that, but nope. Hi, Judy.
Okay, Trixie, you're done now. You can go inside now.
Whoa, 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 Trixie. Trixie. Nope. Huh? Okay, Trixie, we're gonna go through the garage. Come on. Follow the path, and you got out of the path. You have to follow the path.
Judy, stop doing that. Get over here. Stop trying to look at you, dumb dog.
You got a new carpet thing?
Yeah, we're gonna put it across the whole garage.
Nice.
Yeah, we just gotta glue it down now. Mike put it down to see how it would look, and now we just gotta glue it. Are you tired?
She's a little
Step
boba
down
guy.
so I can get
This
your
is Boba.
dishes off you.
Is that one of my YouTube's box?
Huh? I don't know. Is that yours?
Wait. Let me see. Is it heavy? It's heavy.
Yeah.
There must be something in here.
Well, yeah, I just got it from the mailbox.
Oh my gosh, my YouTube's arrived. I didn't even notice.
You didn't go to the mailbox. I did.
Oh. What the? Okay, well,
Come here, Trixie.
my YouTube's just arrived. Let's see. I'll see you guys when I get inside. Whoop. Hey guys, I'm back. I didn't even notice my YouTube's arrived. But, won't be showing my... Oh, oopsies. Can you guys see me? I'm sweating. Anyways, my YouTube's arrived and I didn't even notice. This is a completely different vlog. Me and my dogs just went on a walk and I'm unboxing the YouTubes. Alright, I'll see you when I get the scissors. And I got the knife. I hope you guys can see me. Alright, now let's... This is painful to watch. Let's see what YouTube's arrived. Sorry. I think I know which one arrived. Oh, my press and plays YouTubes. Oh my gosh, dude. I've been waiting so long for this. Oh my gosh, is it really it? Please tell me this is really it. Oh, my YouTubes. Oh my gosh. Dude, I thought it was my Vibe Check one. Because I ordered a Vibe Check YouTubes. But it still hasn't came yet. Oh my gosh, this is a tall YouTubes. Oh my gosh. I think I'm literally gonna... Look at that. This YouTubes is giant. Look at that. It's the size of my hand. Nice. And that is my YouTubes. Let's look at the box. YouTube symbol. This is what the box usually looks like. I like the background. Wow. That is a huge YouTubes. It's bigger than me. And let me go throw away the trash. Alright. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button and hit the bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.